Hey guys, Trevor here with Nomadic Trev. Today's vlog is just about what's going on, and it is now Monday here in Bangkok, Thailand, Sunday evening back home. So, life is good. Sunday we had a good time. We actually went and saw the Tomb Raider movie, which we really liked here in Bangkok. I think the tickets cost us around 150 baht each or something like that. No, actually, it was around 220. 220 baht, which is the most I paid for a movie out here. It was around, I think, $6 each, $7, which is equivalent to like one of those cheaper cinemas back home. Usually I think tickets back home are like around $10 to $15 in the States, in LA. So at any rate, still pretty cheap and affordable. We don't really watch movies very often anymore, but yeah, it was cool. We liked the movie. It was all right. So been working on this membership site, and I'm starting to get a lot of traffic and leads, and I'm really excited about it. Being a digital nomad, it's hard to like really find focus and stuff like that because there's so many distractions all the time. We're always out and doing things, and I can go out and do this or do that, and traveling and having fun and relaxing is sometimes like a top priority in my life. Whereas I really want to build this membership site business out and help people and build a coaching program, but yeah, it takes a lot of extra effort and work, and got to follow up with people, and that's fine. I love that because I'm working with my tribe members, my people that are just like me, like entrepreneurs, and people that are really passionate about marketing. So I'm excited. I'm starting to get things filled out here. I finally filled out the mini course on the Teachable website, and I also made blog posts and YouTube video playlists and all that stuff for my dropshipping mini course lead generator, which is a big thing for me because I made 8 different 20-minute videos for that course, and so that's tons of value, tons of content, and I really know that by the time people are going through that, maybe even just the first few videos, they've gotten tons of value from me, that they are thinking to themselves, I know, like, and trust this guy. I really want to purchase his membership program, or sign up and purchase his high ticket dropshipping masterclass. And so I'm really excited about that because that's what I want to teach. I know that really good. I even made a list of top niches for 2018 for high-ticket dropshipping on my blog, and that's going to be my lead generator there as well. So the idea is that I want to take people from where they are just starting out to where they want to be. And the idea is that it's not as hard as they think it is. It doesn't have to be super complicated. It's actually a very simple process if you know how to break it down, and I know how to break it down and make it really simple. Yes, it does take effort and time, but if you can focus on one thing for about 2 or 3 months, you can get it to the point where it's a full-time sustainable operation. So that's the idea. Now, with that being said, every 3 months I can get something to a full-time sustainable operation. My idea is that I want to be able to scale my e-commerce empire while I'm doing this membership site class, and I want to document it the entire time. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. And being a digital nomad and traveling nomadically is amazing at the same time. So I really want to be focusing on building and making really cool vlogs every single day too. So I think what I'm going to start doing is filming things while I'm walking out and about in Bangkok, not just taking pictures, because what I do a lot of is taking pictures, and it's all on my Instagram feed, but I don't really get a whole lot of leads from that. I think it's more just, it's more on Instagram, so there's no real funnel coming out of that, unfortunately, not yet anyways. And I think a lot of people that are interested in travel, they aren't necessarily interested in online business. They're just interested in travel sometimes, and whereas a lot of them are. So it's definitely like a combination of personality types there. So yeah, anyways, it's an interesting divergence, and it's fun. So I want to be able to grow this, and I want to be able to help you guys understand travel more. So I guess the point of this video really was to talk about the setup process of a membership site. It goes from top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, just like a sales process, whatever I'm teaching. So in this case, it's high ticket dropshipping. So I'm teaching high ticket dropshipping. What I had to fill out first was the top of the funnel, people that are just getting into it. I did a lot of keyword research, and I found out that people that are trying to get into it are searching terms like what is dropshipping, and they're searching terms like best e-commerce platform. They're searching terms like how to find the best dropshipping suppliers. So I made content for that. I made long YouTube talking head videos, and I made long blog posts, and I made a mini course for that is all in there separately. And what I realized is that having your content on YouTube is fine, but the goal is to get people off of YouTube onto your own platform, and then to get their email sign up there, and to get them to sign up for it. So you have to make some sort of a free course first of all. So make free content on YouTube, and then put that onto a Teachable membership site. If you want to sign up for Teachable, link is below in the description. And it's a great way to start an online business because you're just basically teaching people stuff. And if you can make it very passive by creating automations and autoresponders and things like that, and they'll just sign up for your courses and take them and be happy with them. And you can ask them questions and answer them all the time, and then that way you'll be able to learn a lot from your audience, and you'll be able to create more content in the future. And so the way I do it is I don't just create products that that are one-off products and sell them for one price, I actually create membership programs. So it's a monthly price, product and price. So it's something that I'll be updating on like a weekly or monthly basis while I'm doing my other content, my free content, my vlogging and stuff like this. And it's more in depth and stuff like that. But the point is that I can build a really great recurring revenue for my lifestyle, and I can also have a way for somebody to get value on a continuous basis, not just buy a one-off product and forget about it after they took it the first time, but know that going back week after week, there's going to be new content, new premium, awesome, in-depth content uploaded week after week that they can watch, and they know that they're getting value. And then there's going to be, you know, webinars and live Q&As and stuff like that in the Facebook group as well. So that's what I'm building out, and it takes a lot of time. There's all these little tiny things I have to put together, but I made a ton of progress last week. I got all the biggest, you know, thing up online, the mini course. That was really cool. That was a huge improvement. Now this week my goal is to get that niche hacks course built out. So niche hacks is my my thing. It's going to be high ticket dropshipping niche hacks, and it's going to teach people how to find the best niches, how to find the best suppliers, how to know if it's a profitable niche or not. And then it's going to be like hacking the website build process, so it's really fast and easy to build a demo site. Hacking the supplier sourcing process, so it's a really fast and easy process to get suppliers, right? Hacking the optimization process, so it's easy to optimize your site, and hacking the traffic process, so it's really easy to get traffic to your website. So it's going to be a bundle, and it's going to be a membership site where you pay $47 a month, and with that you get access to all these trainings I'm going to be making. So it's really exciting. We're in like just, you know, I haven't even launched it yet, and I'm getting people that are interested in signing up. So it's really exciting for me. I almost feel like rushed right now, which is exhilarating, because when I have people that are sending me inquiries about being excited about something, it's pretty freaking awesome. And yeah, that's the thing, you know, I really want to help people out there. That's my goal. And I'm also doing a lot of connecting right now, and a lot of networking online. Every single YouTube video I make that's related to whatever that I want to teach or what I'm doing or whatever it is, I make sure I comment, make a really nice comment, maybe add some kind of insight if I want to or whatever. The coolest thing about YouTube is it's very social, and people always go to the comment sections. They'll click around and stuff like that. So commenting on videos is a great way to network and to get new subscribers and new views on your channel. It's basically kind of like a little backlink within YouTube, and YouTube is the best lead generation platform out there these days. So with that being said, the more you can spend your time and money creating content for YouTube, the more leads you'll get in the long run. And then you can take that content you have on YouTube, turn it into a blog post, put it on your website, and then put an email opt-in and lead generator thing on your website. And then that's the best way to generate leads for sure. And then in the future, you can build out like viral Instagram or viral Facebook channels and Facebook groups and stuff like that. That will help drive traffic to your YouTube channel and to your blog, get you more leads that way. And then you can build a membership site on a thing like, of course, like on a platform like Teachable. That's really easy to use, and that helps you. And then you can teach a structured course, right, and charge a monthly fee for that. Or you know, if you can teach somebody how to start a career, you can charge a lot of money, high ticket, you know, $1,000 or something, if you're going to teach them how to make money in life. And yeah, that's a great way to build a sustainable income for yourself. So we are in the sharing economy. You know, this is what you can do. You can learn online for super cheap, and you can teach online and make a lot of money. So it's an amazing thing. You guys definitely consider starting a membership site. If there's any one best way to make money online in 2018 and beyond, it's starting a membership website. And it's not a small thing. Don't think of it like that. It's probably going to take you at least 1 to 3 months to launch. But from there, you'll be making very passive income with digital products, with digital deliverable products, and you can upsell expensive high-ticket coaching services along with that if you want to do that. Or if not, you can just sell one-off information products and have autoresponders and hire a VA to take care of the customer service for you. So yes, there is some customer service related, but if you're going to do a membership site, do it in a niche where you're super passionate about it and you have a lot of fun talking with people anyways, so that when people come and ask you questions, that you're loving it, right? And then create some sort of a forum or a group where you can send them and say, hey guys, like if you want to ask all these questions, ask them in a live group format and ask the other members, because they'll be willing to help you too. And you can create a community that's helping each other, so that you can kind of take a step back and keep building your membership site business out. So that's it, guys. That's what I have for today. If you want to go nomadic, if you want to make it work and travel long term and have a lot of fun with it, teach online. It's the coolest thing ever. And you can take what you teach and you can put it on different platforms. For my instance, I'm going to be making all these courses, but I can also break them off into little mini courses or whatever and put them onto udemy.com, which is another great source of revenue and traffic and leads. So yeah, there's so much potential here, and I'm so excited in 2018 to be building out the membership site for E-commerce Paradise. This is something I've had in the works for 3 years now and finally starting to take it seriously and really build it out. So feels good to finally get it done. Definitely, I'll be setting up a website for Nomadic Trev shortly here. It takes a little bit of time to do this kind of stuff, and since I'm so focused on E-commerce Paradise right now, I'm really spending a lot of my time there. But with that said, I have tons of time to work throughout the day, so I'm going to be getting all that stuff done. So hopefully within a little while, there's going to be a website with articles and links and resources at nomadictrev.com for people that want to travel nomadically or just start traveling the world and get resources for that kind of stuff too. You know, the idea is that I think that a lot of people that want to travel want to, you know, make money online, and a lot of people that want to make money online also want to travel. So I think that there's a very big connection there between all the different people that do that. So definitely consider starting some content channel of your own if you are watching this and you want to achieve some sort of lifestyle where you can travel all the time and go to different countries, because you know that way you'll be able to sustain yourself and you won't, you know, end up going broke or whatever, but you're going to have a sustainable business, right? It's not that hard to get on video like this. You're just talking to people. I mean, really, if you want practice talking to people, go out in the street and talk to people. Go to a business and talk to people. Like, it's no different from talking to somebody. You're literally talking to a camera, and I could be talking to hundreds of thousands of people right now, one at a time, which is the coolest thing ever. So just consider that for yourself. If there's any one way to make money online, start teaching people through the video format. You can teach through written format, but written format's cheap, so you can't really sell your product for more than $10 these days if it's written. Sometimes you can figure that out, but video is where people are willing to spend their money. It's video lessons. Consider that, guys. Membership sites 2018 for Nomadic Lifestyle. Definitely consider that. Nomadictrev.com. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment. We'll see you guys out there. Peace out. Adios.